Moana stood on the shore of her island, her eyes fixed on the horizon. The ocean waves lapped at her feet, as if they were inviting her to journey beyond the reef, a mysterious realm her people had long abandoned exploring. Yet, in her heart, Moana felt a pull stronger than any fear of the unknown. Her island was thriving, but the coconuts were mysteriously dying, and the fish had stopped coming to the lagoon. Moana, chosen by the ocean as its champion, knew she had to make the daring journey to restore the heart of Te Fiti, a goddess whose loss had unbalanced the world. The first challenge emerged as Moana faced her own fears. At night, under the guidance of her grandmother's stories, the ocean revealed itself to Moana as a living entity, a friend and ally rolling back, showing her a clear path marked by stars. When her canoe was crippled by an unexpected storm, the ocean lifted her gently back to course, reinforcing her resolve. On her journey, Moana met Maui, the once mighty demigod who had returned to the mortal realm in disgrace after losing his magic fishhook. Initially resistant, Maui soon joined Moana after a confrontation with a group of mischievous Kakamora, armored coconut pirates, who risked overwhelming them both. As Moana and Maui sailed over treacherous waters, they confronted numerous obstacles, including the monstrous Tamatoa, a giant, treasure-hoarding crab living in the realm of monsters. Using wit and courage, Moana outsmarted Tamatoa while Maui retrieved his lost fishhook. Their bond grew as they neared Te Fiti, learning from each other, Maui revealing the secrets of navigation, while Moana's unwavering spirit taught him true heroism lay beyond powers. In a climactic moment, they faced the fiery demon Te Ka. With despair threatening her will, Moana was reminded by the ocean of her ancestors' strength and her own destiny. Finally, upon a dawning realization, Moana confronted Te Ka with empathy rather than aggression, and the ocean aided in revealing the truth. Te Ka was Te Fiti. Restoring the heart, she brought life back to her own island and the world. Moana returned a hero not just to her people, but to herself, charting a new path for her people and embracing her role as a true wayfinder, with the ocean as her eternal ally.